Welcome to Excel Made Easy. Learning Excel can be quick, fun, and effective using explainer videos. In the previous video, we have learned count and COUNTIF formulas. Click on the link above if you have missed it. Now, let's look at COUNTIF and COUNTIFs formulas. Just a quick recap. COUNTIF and COUNTIFs formula are under the umbrella of count family, as explained in the previous lesson. Let's understand the concept. As the name suggests, COUNTIF formula will count a range of cells when the criteria is met. Note that COUNTIF formula only evaluates one criteria. Start the formula with equals COUNTIF, open bracket, and then type the range of cells, which has the criteria, followed by the single criteria to meet. Lastly, type the closing bracket. What about having more than one criteria to evaluate? That is when COUNTIF's formula comes to our rescue. Note that it has a S at the end. Well, it is very similar to COUNTIF. The only difference is COUNTIF's formula is able to evaluate more than one criteria. Start the formula with equals COUNTIFs, open bracket, and then type the criteria range, followed by the first criteria to meet. You can continue to type the second criteria range and criteria, up to a maximum of 127 pairs. Let's take a look at the demo. In this demo, we have a table with date, items and sales quantity. We want to count the frequency of crispy potato chips appearing in column C. We can simply type equals COUNTIF, open bracket, and select range C4 to C12. Type comma, thereafter, select the criteria in cell G3 and end with close bracket. You can see that there is indeed 5 crispy potato chips appearing in column C. Next is to use COUNTIF's formula to count 2 criteria. Simply type equals COUNTIFs, and then choose the criteria range and criteria for crispy potato chips as before, and the criteria range in cells B4 to B12, and criteria in cell G5, for the 18th of June 2021. It is correct to have 2 as there are 2 matching items with both criteria. Let's do a quick recap. COUNTIF formula is for you to count a range of cells with only one criteria. On the other hand, COUNTIF's formula is to count a range of cells when multiple criteria are met. To use the COUNTIF formula, simply type an equal sign, followed by COUNTIF, type comma and then just select the area where you can find the criteria. Type comma, and then type the criteria to count. Lastly, type the closing bracket. For COUNTIF's formula, you just have to type the formula in pairs of criteria range and criteria, up to a maximum of 127. Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe and bell buttons below to get the easy and fast tips from Excel Made Easy.